What is up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WP Workshop. What I want to show you today is how you can add icons to your menus in WordPress. Okay, so here we are. This is my dashboard. It's just an example WordPress website. This is where all the magic is gonna happen. And I am gonna cover two scenarios. So number one, I'm gonna show you how to add icons to your menus if you are using a classic theme, and then the same with a block theme. Okay, so how do you know if you are running a block theme or a classic theme? The simplest way to check would be just to hover your mouse over appearance and just look through the options in here. If you are seeing something called customize, then you are probably on a classic theme. Cool, so that's out of the way. This is the first scenario that I'm gonna cover. So if you want to add menu icons to your classic theme, what you're gonna need is a plugin. A simple plugin. It has a couple of cool features. One of them is the ability to add menu icons, and the plugin is called Orbit Fox. It's a standard plugin. I already have it installed. Click on the Orbit Fox icon, go into general settings and do that just to make sure that the menu icons functionality is enabled. And with that, we can get the fun started. So let's go into appearance and menus. If you don't have a menu yet, let's create a menu. Let's call it main. Let's create it and let's add my single page to this menu. This is a rather small website. I can probably also add my homepage, home, and then the address, add to menu. There you have it. So you're gonna notice those plus icons in here. So let's just click any of them. And this is basically all there is to it. So you get to pick from a rather large catalog of icons in here. So given that this is a homepage, I'm just gonna pick this one for my sample page. Let's just pick whatever makes sense. Maybe this leaf icon, why not? Let's just save the menu. I don't think this menu is added anywhere yet. So let's save it as my primary menu. Again, save menu. And when I go to my homepage right now, I'm gonna see the menu along with the icons. Let me make it a bit bigger so that you can see. Other than the icons, this is a standard normal menu. Yeah, that is it for classic themes. Okay, and now scenario number two, how to add menu icons if you are on a block theme. First things first, again, let's check if we are actually using a block theme. So for that, again, go into appearance. If you can see something called the editor in here, then you are using a block theme. Cool, so how to get started? Again, we're gonna need a new plugin to do the job for us. This one is called Author Blocks. Basically what it does is that it extends the official library of WordPress blocks that you have available on your site. So again, this is a normal WordPress plugin, which means to get it running on your site, all you do is go into plugins, add new, just look for Author Blocks, and then install and activate it. As you can see, I already have it active on my site, which means that I can start using it and start adding icons to my menus. So for that, just go into appearance, editor. There are a couple of ways to get started in here, but the easiest way is to just click into your menu. Yeah. Click again, and for each of the items in the menu, you're gonna find this new icon here. This allows you to access the option to add icons to your menu items. You can do it one by one. So let's start with about. Let's click on this. Yeah, this address book icon seems okay. Let's go into contact. Same thing, maybe something like phone. Yeah, phone is nice. And again, sample page. Let's go for something rather random, maybe this one. And with that, all you do is just click on save, save again. You can view the site and you're gonna see those cool menu icons next to each of the items. Yeah, and that is basically it. So as you've seen, the process is really simple. All it takes is either installing a plugin like Orbit Fox if you are using a classic theme, or Author Blocks if you are on a block theme. Of course, there are other solutions out there that will probably do the work for you, but those two I like the most since they are the simplest to use, and also they do come with loads of other useful features apart from just the menu icons. Yeah, so that is it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm Karol. You can find me at wpwork.shop, and see you next time.